This is the Smonet Smart Door Lock system here. We buy a lot of these. We do a lot of short-term rental business. We manage a lot of properties for short-term rentals, and we definitely need the door locks like this. And we moved to this brand quite some time ago because they're very easy to work with. It's just a direct replacement for the lock that's on there. And what we really like about it is these large handles. They just open very nicely, and then we're just very pleased with this brand here. We like the fact that there's a handle like this inside as well. It just looks very sturdy, very durable. So like this is what the outside looks like here. And this is what the inside looks like here. This is the inside here that holds the 4 AA batteries. So this seems pretty much right up. All the hardware is over here. This is just really easy to put in. Our property manager, our handyman, he could get one of these installed in like 15 minutes, but he's done a lot of them. So I would say if you've never worked on one of these before, it's probably gonna take you, say, 30 minutes. But another reason we like this brand here is it's got the key fobs that come with it. These are really nice. You just set the key fobs to them. And we like the fact that we could change the code, the door code remotely. We could add them, delete them. So each time we have a new person coming in, we're able to do this all remotely, send them the door code, and it just helps. It does also have the fingerprint reader on here. We really don't use that because, like I said, we're just pre-programming the codes remotely from our office, but it does have that feature and it looks very nice. It does also have the actual key for in here, so that's another nice feature. We just save those in our office, basically. We're using the remote codes, and then our property manager, he'll have one of these key fobs where he'll be able to access the property from, just so he doesn't need his own code. But anyways, these Smonet Smart Door Locks are really great. Been using them for a long time, and I highly recommend checking them out if you're looking for a keyless fingerprint reader. You're going to be very pleased with it.